Why have I placed a short pending order on XAGUSD? Welcome to the Cloaked Traders KE. On this platform, I document my journey towards being a consistently profitable trader. So this is 75. As you can see, I've placed a pending order here. It hasn't been triggered yet, and my target is here. My SL is here. It's a 1 to 3 trade. So let's go to trading view. So this trade plan started, the plan to take this trade started around 2 days ago. There's a day I came to analyze silver and the price was somewhere here. The price was here. So let's just go first to H1 because there was another long trade that I was thinking. When I came to the market, the price was somewhere here. That was the day before yesterday. So because I had anticipated another form of inverted head and shoulder, I was expecting at least the price to pull back to this area that is acting as support and give me confirmation. Then I take the price towards the upper side, probably take out this area. But I missed this trade. But before that, I had analyzed that the D1 was almost forming a head and shoulder because as you can see, I had written possible because there was no confirmation yet. I saw there's a high that was taken out. Then the price dropped to what I could consider neckline of the shoulder. It was supported here, just around to this trend line at the same time the support here. So because this place, it was rejected 1, 2 times, 3 times, so it's becoming support. When you go to H4, you can see clearly the price was touched multiple times here. One, you can see here there was a touch here, there was a touch here, there's a touch here, so there's another touch here. Yeah, but let's just delete those ones. So, and also we can delete this one already. They have been used up, they have been used, so they're not important to this trade. So I marked this area. This place was empty 2 days ago. So 2 days ago it was empty. I just placed a circle, and here I had written possible left shoulder, possible head, and here I had not written this. It was just empty because I didn't know how far the price will stop. So yesterday the price came and there was a rejection. So that gave me some form of confirmation that most likely the price is going to react at my anticipated area. So today when I came in the morning, I was expecting either this high will be swept before I get confirmation, or I'll never get confirmation probably. But when I came to H1, I saw that the Asian high, I mean the New York PM high, this was the New York PM high. This one here, this area. I'll go to M5 and I'm going to show you. These ones were the New York PM high. So the Asian session took out the New York PM high, then immediately closed inside the New York PM high. I mean New York PM session. And the momentum here, which is a bearish engulfing, gave me some form of confidence, and hey, sellers are likely to come in now and push the price lower. Another thing that now let's just before I go to another targeting thing, let's go to the targeting criteria. Let's go to M5 so that I can actually show you that the New York PM high were taken out, the highs were taken out, which is more of a range. There was a range from here that was taken out and the price closed inside. So those were all different confluences that took place before I decided to take the trade. Now, why did I target here? Let's just go to H1 and I'll show you why I was targeting that particular area. On H1, the price was rejected here and created some of demand. Here, the same color candle going upwards, there's some form of demand. So, generally, I would expect some form of reaction here. Or let's just take this and turn it into a demand zone here, or here, or here. But before all those reactions, so I just decided to place a TP some 5 pips before it reaches here. Why 5 pips? Because my spreads are 5 pips. So I need to, because for a sell, the price has to cross your TP by the number of spreads before it's triggered. So that was my expectation. Here there's another concern that I have to think about as I manage this trade. This area can still act. This area here, let me just place here. This area, let's just turn it into support, can still act as resistance turning into support. But what was my reasoning behind disregarding it? At least I could see that the price was reacting here, it was tested here, 1, 2, 3. So I'm expecting, well, a lot of liquidity has been taken out. So I'm expecting at least to sweep this low into another zone, but that is not guaranteed. The only thing, if the trade goes my direction, then I'll be managing it. Also, being a Friday, probably if it drags along, I may even close it somewhere here before now the market closes for the weekend. And that's all, and that is my reasoning behind the trade. So it's not triggered yet, as you can see on MT5, it's not triggered yet. If it's triggered, we'll see. But I'm still analyzing other charts so that I can find a trade that will be triggered first. Because sometimes I place multiple pending orders. Then if one is triggered, I remove others and probably watch how the market is behaving, because I don't want to take multiple trades at the same time. That's all for this trade and analysis. If I get another one, I'll post if I decide to take it. Please subscribe, share, and be part of the journey. The Cloaked Trader.